Okay, so I'm testing my transformer. This is the doorbell transformer, and this is up in my attic. Just testing it to see what kind of transformer it is. And this converts the AC to it converts high voltage AC 120 volts or 110 volts to low voltage AC 24 volts or 16, anywhere from 16 to 24 volts. So that's my multimeter. I use the alligator clips to connect to my multimeter. I have the range set to AC 200 volts and turn it on. I get about 19.6 volts, which I think is enough for any doorbell chime to work. So that's a little video about my transformer. These are some of the other electrical connections I have in my attic.